I air fried my beef ribs and they're so nice. And guys, guess what guys? So guys, here, this is my hair guys.
Gucci, Louis, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even buy. It was dark, and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak. Stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say they were never true,
Blink from the thing them call a broken heart. This blessed love will never part. You don't know it from the start. Me tell them say I don't say it. A Sean Paul and Sasha.
Make me hollow, make me sweat. I can't get your tenderness. Still I can't get you off my mind. What is it about you, baby?
I just say dirty love.
Guys, look at this. This is what I just made. I air fried my beef ribs and they're so nice. They're so tender. They're so juicy, guys. Like, this is a hack. They're so beautiful also. I can't wait to have my dinner.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
When I'm outside in the player.
So this is my dinner and it's giving. So I'm watching some Netflix. Hey guys, good morning. Start of another vlog. Yes, we are back and happy. So guys, I'm getting this. I have like a kashilingi over here. So I got a dessert yesterday. If you watched the other vlog, you saw me getting a dessert from Range Cam. So I want to have this. You're supposed to have this on an empty stomach. Then you stay for like 2 to 3 hours without eating. So I'll be having this. I'm just going to chew it. Then yeah, I'll send it to Charisha kwenda kazi. We catch up later. I'm so hungry guys, but I need to take this. I need to deworm. It has been like more than 6 months since the last time I dewormed, and we need to be healthy and eat well, deworm, have healthy bodies. So yeah, taking this to catch up later.
And you know I'm not to stay in that dirty love.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
So girl, they try to understand. It's a man, it's just a man. That's the does.
Hey guys, this is Vaseline. I got this like last year, no, June, and I still have it. It's so nice. So reporting live from Becky with the nice hair. Yeah guys, my hair is giving. I just removed the tracks, and guys, if I tell you my hair started getting volume, I don't look like the chicken that I looked like when I just relaxed my hair. I almost cried, but I think my hair is now loving the chemical. Like, this is not the hair that I had like a month ago. In a grow sana baby guys. So I just removed the tracks. I want to wash the hair. I usually wash the hair. I'll show you everything that I use to maintain my relaxed hair. My hair has potential of being nice hair. So guys, imagine it's my off day. I need to do some laundry. I need to wash my hair, organize my house. Do not mind the way my house is looking like. But guys, imagine my Wi-Fi is not working. I usually like listen to music when I'm doing the house stuff, house chores. To find out when I pronounce here. Yeah, so I'm quite disappointed. I texted Poa like they had texted saying we're going to have a downtime, but it has been more than 4 hours. That's you comment downtime. When you like pay your monthly subscriptions, they take time to renew it, but time ya kulipa wanakata immediately. Yeah guys, though I feel like Poa is much better than Zuku. Though their customer service, guys, you text them on WhatsApp, they take forever to reply, and they always reply with almost the same thing. Oh, switch off your router, performs do what, let me know what it happens. You text, they take another 1 day to reply. Like, they're not proactive. Yeah, and when you call their number, they never pick. Yeah, that is a problem for Zuka. So to maintain my hair, I usually mix these two. This is hair mayonnaise. This is a protein treatment, very nice. My natural hair is to love it, but I think my relaxed hair is loving it more. Then I also mix it with this. I relax my hair with TCB, so I chose to buy everything TCB. You guys look at my nails. Oh my god, Oh my god, my nails are so nice. But anyway, yeah, so this has shea butter and honey, and this is a protein treatment. So yeah, so let me mix, apply the hair, put on my shower cap, then I let it sit as I do my laundry. This smells really nice. I like the smell. My hair will be smelling so nice, guys, after this. My protein treatment karibu inaisha, so I'll have to restock, but I'll get the same one. I got this from Miss Lee and I loved it, guys. So I'll just divide this into 4. Oh, imeshikana huku ndani, hizo tracks kweli zitafanya. But sitaki kusonga, guys, because I don't like it. I divide it into 4, apply. I'll show you guys when I'm done, so to save up on space. So guys, here, this is my hair, guys. This is my hair. So I'll put this in a shower cap, let it sit as I do my laundry. So guys, I'm just done washing my hair. I hope to go back to the salon and return the tracks, but I haven't gotten time because I was doing some laundry. Anyway, my siblings came over and we made some jack chicken. Let me show you. So this is the jack chicken. It's a Jamaican dish. So we tried a new recipe, and I'll let you guys know if it tastes like jack chicken. Not that I have ever tasted jack chicken, but if it tastes nice, then we hacked the recipe.
Don't worry about my business. See, baby, you see you getting full for sit down. Look at you. Just your color. Look at the way the blue's just matching your skin.
Wait, this is so nice, but we can get a color now.
No, it's fine. I'm telling you. Done the maths. That's not even including my whole time.
Hey guys, how you doing? So all my siblings left, and right now I'm getting ready to go out for getting ready to go out. So I did my hair. I finally did my hair. I returned the tracks again, guys, and it looks so nice. Yeah, so I'll catch up with you guys when we get there, maybe, or not, but we'll catch up, guys, like tomorrow. Yeah, so bye. Right, guys, I forgot to tell you something. My birthday gifts are still coming a month after my birthday, and that's on period. So yeah, my sister got me a birthday gift that I will be unboxing tomorrow. Guys, it's something I have wanted to get for some time, and because of adulting I have not been able to. So birthday should come every day, ndio tupate vitu zote za nyuma. So guys, I will unbox with you tomorrow, because right now I'm kind of in a hurry. I'm always in a hurry, don't know why. Hakuna siku natoka kwa nyumba niseme I'm not in a hurry, but yeah. Hey guys, just got back home from work, passed through Naivas. Yeah, you've seen the video. So I got a few things from Naivas, nothing major, but guys, I think I'm back to baking because adulting has made me realize that I need to start baking again. I need an extra source of income, because if you don't hustle, then there are things that you'll not be able to do, and we're not doing that in this channel. We need to be able to do everything that comes our way without traveling. So yeah, I got a few things. Unga soko, I think it went for 126 bob. And guys, this is a plug, guys. This is dark soy sauce that goes for 229 from Zesta. It's really nice. You cannot notice the difference between those Chinese soy sauces and this one. It's really nice, and the volume is 700 ml. I think it's more than the others. Yeah, and then for the price, still, you know, hook up, guys. Get this if you need soy sauce. Yeah. I got some fish fingers, not chicken fingers, because I want to make dinner. I want to make some nice dinner as I think about my life. Yeah, so I got chicken fingers. This went for 160 bob. It's 200 grams. I would not normally I would not get this. I just get normal chicken, then make the fingers for myself. I'm so tired. I eat a nice meal, so yeah. And guys, if you have tried spices from Royco, then they should be your favorite spice. Like, this is holy grail. I put it in everything, and it tastes even meatier than meat itself. It's so nice, guys, and I'm not capping. It goes for 130 bob. A little bit pricey, but it's the same price as the tropical heat, and the quality is so good. Yeah, the only thing that Royco needs to do is reduce the amount of salt in their spices, because sometimes when you use their spices, then you forget and add salt into the food. then guys it won't work for you. But if you use the spices before you add salt, always make sure to taste the food. People won't eat your food, but I love this. This is my favorite. I have tried the wet and dry one, wet and dry fried spice, yeah, but I prefer the machoma one. I think ni poa sana. Yeah, then I love chicken wings, guys. If you know me, if you know me, but when I'm eating chicken, I don't like the breasts. Yeah, when you take kwa nini take juice to still nyonga me. So always take the parts of chicken that have fat, that is thighs, drumsticks, and wings. Yeah, favorite parts. Hizo zingine sipendi sana, but nikipata kumesava I still eat. Then I got some potatoes. I need to get back into my diet because guys, what am I doing with my life? Yeah, so I need to do some unboxing, then I'll cook with you guys and edit this video, hoping it's interesting, because every time I'm trying to like shoot for you guys, you should feel like I am very boring and my vlogs are boring until I start editing the vlog, and then I'm like, okay, so the vlog looks like it's so much fun. Yeah, so let me do the unboxing that I told you about yesterday, the gifts that I got from my sister. Let me do that, guys. So guys, second last birthday gift unboxing. I hope I'm in frame. So this a time I went with my sister to a thrift shop. I was trying to look for a fleece blanket and better. Yeah, so I was like, I don't like anything there. And guys, guess what guys? So she just texted me. She was like, do you like purple, green? Oh my god, my mind is not even here, but we need to unbox this. So yeah, she got me this. I'm so happy. So I started a card, kama kawaida, because I love cards. So it's written happy birthday, a new year full of God's blessings for me and for you. For me and for you. May this year be your year of achieving all your desires. It should be, guys. Guys, you know how much I work hard. I need to start achieving these things that I want to achieve. Love you always. Love you too. Happy birthday, sis. Thank you. With love. Love you too. Chachesu, lil sis. Hoping your birthday is as bright as the memories you've collected through the years, as warm as the love that surrounds you, as special as the wishes that have been wished for you today. Thank you. I'm so happy, guys. You know, with everything going on right now, guys, I just needed like a gift and something to brighten up my day. She also got me funny faces candy. Yeah, I can't wait to eat this. Like I can already see like a wink. I can see so am I supposed to eat this or keep this? Because they're so cute. And finally, something that I have wanted for a long time. Once I get rid of my blanketie that I always use in the sitting room, I always hide it every time I take a picture of my sitting room. It's not so ugly, but it does not fit my space. I have worked so hard to make sure my space looks like this, and then you go in a show. So this is so cute. Oh, I can see something else here. Lip oil. Yeah, it's from Kiss Beauty. I'll try it out. Color changing. Because she reads my mind. I was with Jackie at Pandamat, and I was looking for a lip oil that changes color, and she got me one because I don't like applying lipstick every other day. So this is so cute. It feels so cozy. I can't wait to have my nice meal and use this as I watch a nice show. Yeah, as I think about my life and everything. So purple in color. My mom's favorite color. My mom's favorite color is royal purple, but it's purple, and I have this. So every time I'm in this, I'll be feeling like I'm at home, like I'm still a baby, like yeah, because adulting is not easy for anyone. Like it keeps on, but we appreciate where we are, and the fact that we can survive in this economy. So let me go cook. I need to make a very important call right now. I was really avoiding this whole thing, but I need to deal with it heads on. Yeah, we need to be strong. You need to be, yeah, guys. I wish I could tell you guys what I'm going through or what is going on right now around me, but I cannot. Yeah, it's so personal. I know you guys are dear to me, but it's so personal and I can't share everything. Yeah, so let me deal with this. Make dinner if I still have some appetites. Then I'm trying to what? Yeah.
I'm still in love.
So the chicken fingers are ready. I have some garlic mayo, so let me have dinner. Catch up tomorrow.